Welcome to Immigrant Paths. If you're thinking about moving to Europe, you've clicked on the right video. Today we'll guide you through essential immigration advice for beginners, covering everything from choosing the right country to understanding visa types and residency requirements. So let's dive in. First things first, choosing the right European country. With over 40 options, it's crucial to consider a few key factors. Countries like Ireland and the Netherlands have a high proficiency in English, making it easier to adapt. However, learning the local language can enhance your experience. Look into countries with strong job opportunities such as Germany, the UK, or Switzerland, especially if you're in tech or engineering. As southern countries like Spain and Portugal typically offer a lower cost of living compared to northern countries like Sweden or Norway. Doing thorough research will help you find the best fit for your new life. Next up, let's talk about visas. Understanding the different visa types is vital for your immigration journey. Here are some common options. If you have a job offer in countries like Germany or the Netherlands, a work visa is the way to go. Planning to study. Countries like Germany and the UK have excellent education systems and offer study visas. If you have family already residing in Europe, you might be eligible to join them. Entrepreneur or investor visas. For those looking to start a business, countries like Portugal and Italy offer enticing options. If you work remotely, consider the digital nomad visas offered by countries like Estonia and Portugal. Choosing the right visa is essential for a successful move. Once you've arrived in Europe, you'll need to secure a residency permit. This is crucial for staying long-term. Here's what you need to know. Temporary residency permits, ideal for short-term stays. These usually need to be renewed annually. Permanent residency. After living in a country for around 5 years, you may qualify for permanent residency, allowing you to live and work without restrictions. EU Blue Card. If you're a highly skilled worker, this card allows you to work in most EU countries and is a great path to permanent residency. Remember, the requirements vary by country, so do your homework. Bureaucracy can be overwhelming, but don't worry. Here are some tips to navigate the immigration process. Start early. Visa and residency applications can take time, so gather your documents well in advance. Consult a legal professional. Immigration laws vary widely, so consider consulting an immigration lawyer for guidance. Gather important documents. Make sure you have everything, from your passport to proof of financial stability. Staying organized will help streamline your immigration process. Now that you've immigrated, adjusting to life in Europe is the next step. Here are some tips. Learn the language. Even a basic understanding of the local language will make daily life easier and help you connect with locals. Understand local laws and customs. Familiarize yourself with the laws and cultural norms to avoid any misunderstandings. Build a network. Join expat groups or communities to meet others who can offer support and advice. Embracing the local culture will enrich your experience. Finally, here are some last-minute tips for a successful immigration journey. Be financially prepared. Ensure you have enough funds to support yourself for at least the first few months. Stay informed that migration policies can change, so keep yourself updated on any new regulations. Consider healthcare. Make sure you understand the healthcare system in your new country and have the necessary insurance. With the right preparation, you'll be set for a smooth transition. That wraps up our guide on Europe immigration advice for beginners. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Immigrant Paths for more tips and resources. Share your questions or experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy travels and good luck on your immigration journey.